Hi Bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen, and in this video I'm doing an unboxing of Grab Bags Happy Meal that I received from Shadow Collection and Aesthetic Dollar. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you decide to join me through this journey of seeing what I actually got. So if you're familiar with either of these two shops right here, were you able to snag one of their grab bags that they had offered in the shop last week? Yeah, I think it was last week. Let me know in the comments. So this is my first time ever purchasing anything from Aesthetic Dollar. And when I saw that she was offering grab bags, I definitely wanted to get something. And I was like, hopefully I remember the time, because when you get caught up to things, you can happen to miss something, but luckily I didn't have my grandbaby. I didn't have any distractions, so I was able to get 2 grab bags. I got the A5 grab bag, which is what I'm about to look at now, and it looks like it's an A5 budget planner inserts. So let's check out the inserts. Some of you probably already seen it before, but this will be my first time actually looking at the budget planner inserts. So far looking at the inserts, I think this will be a great starter budget planner for my daughter. I like the inserts, I like the setup, I like the trackers so far of everything that I've seen. And now I just need to go ahead and purchase a binder for her so she can start with her budgeting. I gave her a cash wallet a couple of weeks ago, but she definitely needs a budget planner. I think this would be absolutely perfect for my daughter. Because you have your bill trackers, debt trackers, expense trackers. And that she already has a cash wallet. I like the cash breakout insert as well. So I'm definitely going to give this to my daughter. And I think it will work well for her. And these are the dashboards that came with the A5 grab bag. So once I set this up, I just have to decide if I want to give her one of my A5 planner covers that I already have, or should I purchase a new one for her. Frugally, I could just give her what I already have, but the thing is, do I want to give her my planner cover? That's the question. What would you do? Will you just give her something? I don't know, because I love all my planner covers. But anyway, what will you do? Just buy a new cover for her, or just use a stash? Now, I have to decide, do I really want to give up my planner cover? But I do also need to think about the fact, too, if I haven't been utilizing it, why not go ahead and just give her the A5 binder so she can build her budget planner. So I did get another grab bag from Aesthetic Dollar. Okay, so this looked like a canvas tote bag. I love tote bags, so absolutely love that. Now let's see what I got in my mystery bundle. So it looks like I have a binder. So I am already excited about this mystery bag because I've been wanting placeholders. I've been looking at a variety of different placeholders, and I'm excited that I got them in this bundle. You know, and it's just amazing when you get a grab bag or a mystery bundle and it actually have things that you want and that you can use. So I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited that I got this. The quality is superb. Absolutely love. So I got 2 packs of placeholders. So I'm gonna have to add these to my sinking funds binder. And like I said, I've been wanting some placeholders, so I'm glad the grab bag that I did receive, it has the placeholders in it. So I got a personal ring size binder. Okay, so it has to go to aesthetic. Right now, I'm loving green, and this will be my first. I don't have this shade of green, so it'll be nice to add this color green to it as well. I got some cash envelopes. Okay, and I have this pouch. So I don't have any cash envelopes like this, and they're already labeled. Now, I don't know if I want to keep this for myself or give it to my daughter. Now, I'm thinking about giving it to her because it will complete her budget setup, because I gave her a cash wallet a few weeks ago, and I'm going to give her the budget inserts. And I'm thinking this might be great to get her started, because she does need a binder. So this is all perfect. This is definitely perfect. And it's a perfect way to get my daughter set up for her budgeting systems. So I'm really glad that I got these bundles because they will be great use, and it's a great way to help my daughter get started so she can manage her finances, so she can take care of herself as well as my grandbaby. So let's go ahead and add these cash wallets. And then this color green right here, this is a shade of green that she really likes, so I guess it was meant to be for me to have this particular box. So if you were able to get a grab bag, please leave in the comments, what did you get? Which grab bag or mystery bag did you get? And what was in yours? If you got this mystery bag that I received, did you get the exact same thing or did you get something different? So I did order a grab bag from Rose Shadow Collection as well, and I'm about to open that next. Okay, so this says this is a magnetic sticker. So I don't think I ever had magnetic stickers before, but on the back of the sticker, she gives you the instructions on how to apply them to maybe your Tumblr or notebook. So I really like these. I just have to decide how and where I'm going to use them at. Love it. Know your worth. Add tags. I like this too. My middle name is Bougie. So I really like all of those, and I'm definitely going to, I guess I'm going to add them to my planner. I'm not sure if I'm going to add it to a Tumblr or anything like that, but I have to just figure out where I'm going to place them. So let's get into the grab bag. So we have some charms. This is a Louis Vuitton charm, a planner charm. So I don't have this, and this would be great to add to my planner. I think I'm probably gonna have to add something else to it so it can hang from the planner. Okay, so this is a Fendi bookmark. I don't have one of these. I mean, I love when I get grab bags with things that I actually like and use and that I don't already have. Okay, so the bookmark that I'm opening up right now is a Gucci bookmark. I don't have this one neither. So a few years ago, I said I would never buy a planner grab bag again because I remember in the past I'll be just so disappointed in the things that came in the grab bags, especially mystery grab bags. And there would be things in there that had issues with them, like misprints. I don't like misprints. I don't like oops, because I will place it inside like my sticker book or something like that, and I'll totally forget that it was a oops item, and be irritated when I went to use it. So I am loving this grab bag. I already have these bookmarks right here, but I can never have enough. If I have two, that's fine. I'm glad that she added in some Louis Vuitton bookmarks into my grab bags. Okay, so this is a LV bow magnetic pen. Love, love. Glad I have that. Thank you, Lena, for including things that I absolutely love. Okay, so I have another magnetic pen. This is the LV box. I do have this already. It's in my LV desk agenda. I do have that. And I do have this in my half-letter discbound. Okay, she includes some more bookmarks, and this is the Luxury Me Please bookmark. I do not have this one, so I'm glad that I can add it to my collection. Okay, so the next bookmark that I received is this Bougie one. I do have that one, but like I said with the other ones, it doesn't matter if I have two. And this is the LV notepad. And I got this LV notepad a few years ago. So I'm shocked that she still has it. So the last thing is this Chanel sticker book. So from all the grab bags that I received, all of them was mystery grab bags. What was your favorite things from the Aesthetic Dollar and Rose Shadow collection? If you're interested in me uploading a video with me adding my bookmarks and pins to my LV agenda, please indicate that in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my Happy Mail video. Have an awesome day. Toodles!